Welcome to Sarah's little classroom. Timing to issue e-invoice. Standard e-invoice. No specific timeline for issuance of standard e-invoice, except for specific cases. Consolidated e-invoice. 7 calendar days following a month end. Self-billed e-invoice for importation of goods. By the end of the month following the custom clearance date. Self-billed e-invoice for importation of services. Latest by the end of the month following the date of payment made or date of receipt of invoice, whichever is earlier. Issuance of e-invoice for receiving foreign income. Latest by the end of the month following the month in which the foreign income is received. Step by step, learn tax knowledge and build your expertise with Sarah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.